In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF in Github. Let's dive right in and explore this straightforward process together. First, you'll want to open your repository on GitHub. If you're already logged into your GitHub account, navigate to the repository where you want to upload your PDF file. In case you have multiple repositories, make sure you select the correct one. This is essential to ensure that your PDF appears in the right project or collection of files you're working on. Once you have your repository open, you'll see a button labeled Add File near the top right corner of the file list. Go ahead and click on it. Doing this will present you with a small menu, and among the options available is Upload Files. This is the choice you want to select. By choosing Upload Files, you're telling GitHub that you want to add new content, like your PDF, to your repository. This step serves as a portal to easily bring external files into your GitHub repository, keeping your project well organized and up to date. Now that you've chosen to upload files, you'll be presented with an area where you can drag and drop files directly from your computer. Locate the PDF file you wish to upload. It could be something like your resume, a project report, or any document saved as a PDF file. For our example, let's use a file named resume.pdf. Simply click and drag your PDF file from your computer and drop it into the designated area on the GitHub page. It's easy and intuitive, much like attaching a file to an email. After you've successfully added the file, the next step is to commit the changes. On GitHub, this means officially saving your new document to the repository. Look for the section where you can add a commit message. A good practice is to use a descriptive message that explains what the file is or why it's being added, such as adding my updated resume for the 2023 job applications. This message helps you and anyone else reviewing the repository understand the purpose of the addition at a glance. Once you've added your message, click the Commit Changes button to finalize the upload. Think of this as locking in your changes, ensuring the file is securely stored in the repository for future access. And there we go, your PDF is now stored in the repository on GitHub. By following these steps, you can organize important documents or supplementary materials directly alongside your code and other project files. Whether you're collaborating with others or simply keeping your files in one convenient location, using GitHub for file storage is an efficient and reliable method. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next video.